Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake strawberries and cream pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. Wash the strawberries and pat them dry. Then cut off the green part and cut them into thin slices. Add the sliced strawberries into a medium bowl and add in the sugar and mix them until they're combined. Then let it sit for at least 30 minutes to let them macerate and release a lot of liquid. To make the crust, add the graham crackers into a large Ziploc bag, or you can use any plain crisp cookies you like. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. And crush them using a rolling pin until they form fine crumbs. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl. Add in the sugar and melted butter and mix them until they're combined. Then pour the mixture into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan and spread and firmly press it down so it covers the entire inside of the pan. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. To make the filling, in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in the powdered sugar and mix it in until it's combined. Then in a separate small or medium bowl, add in the heavy cream and whip it until it forms soft peaks. Try not to whip it to stiff peaks. Add the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture and fold it in until it's combined. Then pour the mixture into the chilled crust and spread it out until it's even. Drain the strawberries, reserving the liquid. Add the strawberries on top of the pie. Spread them out until they're even. And pour some of the liquid on top to taste. Not too much, you don't want it to drip off the sides or even seep down into the pan and make the crust soggy. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight until it's set, and keep it refrigerated until you're ready to serve it. When you're ready to serve, you can remove it from the fridge and cut it into slices and serve. And that's how to make a no-bake strawberries and cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.